Okay guys, at every station are your animals, big box, little box, solo cup, and thermometer. I need it to look like this at the end of every day, okay? Inside is your CO2 probe, your bottle, and the cap. You need the lab quest, the wall outlet, and the USB that we won't use the USB. You're gonna put the thermometer breaks really easy, okay? So please be very careful with it. To set it up, you're gonna fill the cup halfway with water, and then you stick your guys in here. You get them out and you stick them in, and then you have the thermometer at all times. Check on your thermometer what room temperature is. Every thermometer is going to read a little bit different. Before you stick it in any water, see what it says as room temperature, and you're going to write that down right here, what your room temperature is. Okay? The regular, whatever, it's blue, that should give you room temp water. Okay? The hot is going to be plenty hot. And then the cold, you're gonna get one ice cube from back in the back, one, and then that'll get you as cold as you need, okay? For cold temp, go 5 to 10 degrees lower than room temp max. So write that down, 12 to 17 degrees. Don't go any colder than that. For hot, 5 to 10 degrees above room temp max. So write that down so you know what you're shooting for. This will give you 15 degrees warmer than room temp. I just tried it, okay? Don't kill the bugs. Everybody needs these. And only grab out roughly, I don't know, 20-ish and put them in here. That way if you do happen to kill them, you didn't ruin it for everybody else that's trying to use them. I'm just kidding, you won't ruin it. Okay. So when you're ready, I would do room temp first, and you're gonna do your 3 trials. So when they're good and calm down and relax in there with this setup, you're gonna push, go here, and then you're gonna push the play button. Okay, here's your ppm right here, your CO2. Here's your time in seconds. Every 30 seconds, you're gonna have a graph ready, and start at 0 and write it down. I didn't. 30 seconds, write down your CO2 and your temperature. So one person needs to be checking this temperature and making sure it doesn't go outside of that range, okay? If after maybe 3-ish minutes, you get a good graph going and you think you got some good stuff, you push pause. And then, okay, that's actually probably not going to be very good right there, but you're going to put save, get it back up by going there and click all runs. Now I would suggest writing down blue as this first room temp first attempt. Maybe put a blue right there, okay? And then if you wanted to jot that graph down and label it with room number 1, that way at the end, in case this gets messed up or you have to do it over a 2-day span, you're not relying on this right here. Okay, you're gonna do room temp 1, 2, 3 times. Hopefully you got some good stuff there. Then check your time. If you have enough time to do cold or hot, see what you got with class time left, okay? So you would put that 1 ice cube in, let them get really settled in, watch them, make sure they are like not moving very fast because they're supposed to be cold and they're supposed to be calming down. We want the CO2 to be lower on those 3, okay? And then give them a chance to get back to room and then put them back in hot. I would make sure you're adjusting that water slowly and let them just nicely move to those temperatures, okay? And then hot. Second day, all the arts and crafts stuff is over there. You're making your poster. Take a picture of this, or you could do this on paper, and then take a picture of this, and you're just gonna print it all off at one time. You only get a few chances to print, so get it all on that Word document. Grab any pictures like this setup or pictures off the internet, throw everything into that one shared document, and you're going to click print one time. Let me know if you have any questions. You're going to do great.